Hi Dylan, this is Eli Slaughter at Stikeman Chevrolet here in Paulding, Ohio. I'm going to send you a quick video on the 2015 Silverado you inquired about. It does have a lift kit on it here. I believe it's a 2-inch, could be a little higher than that. Very, very clean truck inside and out. LTZ does have a split bench leather in it. A little different than most LTZs. But once again, very clean, dual power seats. Memory seats, sunroof, Bose sound equipment. So very, very well equipped. Nice set of running boards onto it here, Dylan. Plenty of room with the crew cab. Does have 76,000 some odd miles on it, Dylan. Tires are in decent condition. Rear camera onto it, trailer tow package. Does have a sprayed in bed liner also. Little snow this morning, but very, very clean inside now. Power sliding rear window also. So if you got any other questions, Dylan, please let me know. My phone number here in Paulding, 419-567-4522. Hope to see you soon. Would love to make an appointment with you. So if you get a chance, again, give me a call at 419-567-4522. Thanks, Dylan. Have a great day.